In this video, I'll show you how to work half double crochet. Half double is 1 stitch taller than single crochet and 1 stitch shorter than double crochet. From a foundation chain, you're going to work into the 3rd chain from your hook. So without counting the loop on your hook, that's 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into the top half of your chain, yarn over and bring it through. Now you've got 3 loops on there, 1 more yarn over, and then finish up the stitch by pulling through all 3. The next stitch is right here. Again, yarn over, insert into the top half of the chain, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over through all of the loops. Continue like this. Half double crochet in your pattern is going to be abbreviated HDC. And again, we're working into the top loop of your foundation chain here. All the way to the end here. And this last stitch. This is half double after a foundation row. This is half double crochet after a few rows. We've done 4 rows here. We're just finishing up the 4th row. Work to the end. Make sure we're crocheting under both loops on the stitch below. Here's the last one. And then for half double crochet, we need 2 turning chains, 1 and 2, and then turn your work and work into the 3rd chain from the hook. So that's this one right here. Again, 2 turning chains, 1 and 2, turn your work, and begin to work into the 3rd chain from the hook without counting the one on there. 1, 2, and 3, which is this one.